When you find yourself alone.
All right. Well, I'm ready whenever you are.
Are you gosh kingdom tonight? Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry we drifted apart? Gosh kingdom, lonely. Are you lonely? A lot of people are feeling lonely. They're feeling gosh kingdom. They feel like they're all alone in the world. And let me tell you, I get lonely too. It's lonely at the top. Nah. Gosh kingdom. Nin gosh kingdom. I'm lonely. Sometimes it can be sort of lonely when you got different opinions than everybody else, and you know that nobody agrees with you. There are some things I like that everybody else hates, and there's stuff I don't like that everybody else likes. And when you're like that, you kind of go in the closet. People assume that you hate the things they hate and you love the things they love. Like, for instance, I really like Mount Rushmore. I don't even care. I like it. I've always liked it. I never knew enough about George Washington or Abraham Lincoln. It wasn't even about who they were. I just liked that somebody carved a bunch of faces on the side of a mountain. I was just really impressed with that. It looked just like the guys on the money. I'm really impressed with that. I really like it. And I want to go back and visit Mount Rushmore. And I really hope nobody blows it up. I don't care about people's concerns and feelings about it. If I'm being honest, I like it. Sorry. I don't like the Statue of Liberty. I think it's ugly. I don't understand it. I think that plaque everyone's so proud of, bring me your huddled masses of losers. I mean, that's not something that I'm like, yeah. Oh, I'm so proud to be an American when I look at the Statue of Liberty. That thing, it creeps me out. So I like Paul Bunyan. Here's another unpopular thing I like. I like new country. I don't like old country. The stuff that people say, oh, that's crap. The new stuff is garbage. If you want to listen to good country, listen to Waylon Jennings. I'm like, nah. I like the new stuff. I don't like... Okay, this is controversial as a Native American. I like Mount Rushmore. I don't like the Crazy Horse Monument. Number one, I'm not too impressed with how slow the people making it. That guy who made Mount Rushmore, he carved four statues right next to each other in 14 years. And, say what you want about your politics. I think he's a great sculptor. I think as an American artist, he's probably the only American who should even be mentioned next to people like Michelangelo. But then there's Crazy Horse. And apparently back in like the 1930s, they went, hey, you know what we should do? We'll show those white people. We're going to carve a great big Crazy Horse monument. Oh, really? Where's a photograph? What's he look like? Nobody has a photograph. Oh, where is he buried? Maybe we should do a statue where he's buried. Nobody knows where he's buried. But we're going to do this great big it's a great big statue. And it's going to look exactly like the old plastic, those toys. Remember when we were kids? There'd be the plastic cowboys and Indians. It looks like one of the Indians. And now it's been, 75 years or something. And they barely have the face done. And you're like, okay, let's get the let out, you guys. You want me to be impressed? Chop, chop. I don't want to hear your excuses either. You're an artist. But anyway, so I don't like Crazy Horse Monument. I do like Mount Rushmore. And what else do I like that other people hate? I like white men. A lot of my favorite people in this world have been your salt of the earth, white, working class, gun owning, pickup truck driving. They get a bad rap. And I don't really blame them for all the problems. I think for the most part, if you're going to generalize about a group of people, my experience with white, trailer living, pickup driving, gun owning, Christian veterans is that you can trust them, that they're hardworking and respectful. So I like those guys. What else do I like that other people hate? Is there something I hate that I don't like NASA? I'm not impressed with the space shuttle. I don't like the 4th of July. What do people like? I guess that's it. Alright, well, I'm going to cut it off here. See if this was funny or just weird. I want to thank you for watching BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. GOFUNDME, Minowa. Oh,
Hey everybody! If you want to support the show, just click the link in the description box and you can become a Patreon supporter. Give us a couple of bucks every month. Or if you just want to leave us a tip, Michael has a GoFundMe campaign going on. And we also have a Patreon page. So just click the link in the description. Alright.
Catch a boat to England, baby. Maybe to Spain. Wherever I have gone, anywhere I've been and gone, anywhere I have gone, the blues are all the same. Send out for whiskey, baby. Send out for gin. Me and room service, honey. Me and room service, babe. Me and room service, well, we're living a life of sin. When I'm not drinking, baby, you're on my mind. When I'm not sleeping, honey, when I ain't sleeping, mama, when I ain't sleeping, well, you'll find me crying. Try another city, baby, another town. Wherever I have gone, anywhere I've been and gone, anywhere I have gone, the blues are all the same. another city, baby, another town. Wherever I have played, anywhere I've rolled them dice, anywhere I have played,